आयचो आमचो विशय आसा तो म्हळ्यार सावंड पोल्युशनाचो.
सगळे भायले इंटरनॅशनल लोक येवन सध्या गोंयांत धंदो करूंक लागल्यात.
Illegalities is increasing, and people who are doing illegal have no problem. The person who is doing legal business is having a major problem.
This is happening with the connivance of the authorities, man. So why go to the High Court and get orders if you can't enforce them?
इन्सिडंट घडत आसात, व्हायोलेशन्स घडत आसात, नागरीक कंप्लेन करत आसात, पूण एक्शन काय जायना.
एक सुद्धा गोंयकार व्हायलेटर ना. हे सगळे भायले ऑल आर फॉरेन नॅशनल्स डुईंग इट. तांचे कडेन विजा सुद्धा ना.
Every law in Goa, every time the High Court passes an order, it is an opportunity, it is taken as an opportunity by the enforcement authorities, whether by the police or whosoever, to make money.
The authorities are having the gala time. Secondly, people who are doing legal business are having tough time. People doing illegal business are thriving.
The High Court must not only pass orders, it must take strict action against those in charge of enforcement. If you find someone not acting, put him in.